And we're getting in breaking news as far as the Dharmasala hoax case is concerned. Two mobile phones have been found at one of the accused Manish's house. Seems that the man in mask, Chinaya, was maintaining two mobile phones which hold crucial evidence in this case. And records also show that the man in mask was in touch with the influential person and had received calls from other states as well. So this is as far as the probe in the Dharmasala hoax case is concerned. The police has recovered two mobile phones. Remember, the police was on a lookout for the mobile phone of the man in mask, but earlier he had said that it was with the gang. Now those two mobile phones have been recovered, and it seems that the man in mask was maintaining two phones with him, and it holds very crucial evidence. So it now remains to be seen what police has recovered from the mobile phone, and for that we will go across to our reporters in just some time. But the records show that the man in mask was in touch with the influential persons and had also received calls from other states as well. Let me go across to Abhishek, who is live with us with more details. Abhishek, tell us more about the mobile phones that have been recovered, because we're learning that it holds crucial evidence in this case, and mobile calls were also made to other states as well. Put this into context.
Akanksha, the mobiles have been retrieved from Mahesh Shetty Timarodi's residence. So Mahesh Shetty Timarodi is the person who actually gave shelter to Chinnaya, or the whistleblower in the defamation case of Dharmasala. With respect to the mobiles which have been retrieved, the case, the investigations, some crucial parts will unearth in the next couple of days, because it is believed that the whistleblower had connections and directions from people, most influential people, not only in the state of Karnataka but from Kerala and Delhi as well. Some of the primary names what the case have seen as of now is Sasikant Sendil, who is an MP, has also been named in this case because he is said to have been the mastermind of the defamation of Dharmasala. On the other hand, we've also seen some of the MLAs from the Kerala wanted this matter to be discussed in the assembly. On the other hand, we've also been informed from the sources of special investigation team that various other names from the political background might get revealed in the next couple of days once the call detail records will be retrieved of both the phones which have been taken into the custody by the special investigation team. On the other hand, we've also been informed that there are two mobiles out of one is an Android phone and the other one is a very basic keypad touch phone, keypad phone. As of now, the point is, why did the person use the Android despite having a touchpad, a keypad phone? On the other hand, he also mentioned to the interrogation and the special investigation team that he was under the shelter of a gang. Now, who are the people involved in this gang? Who were the people who directly informed the whistleblower what had to be done in the next couple of days? Was this gang also involved in various other conversations from the entire country, or various other states' political leaders were in touch with the gang? We have been informed that Mahesh Shetty Timarodi and Girish Mattannanavar are supposed to be the leaders of this gang with respect to the Dharmasala incident is concerned with. On the other hand, we also have to see if the whistleblower Sujata Bhatt, Mahesh Shetty Timarodi and Girish Mattannanavar were in direct touch with Sasikant Sendil, who resides in Delhi. So all these loops will be connected only when the call detail record will, if the call detail record emerges. So we will have to see how the special investigation team officers proceed with the retrieved and the collected mobile phones as of now. Akanksha.
Absolutely. So the investigation has escalated. The phone has been recovered. Now it remains to be seen what really comes out of it. Thanks so much, Abhishek, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.